Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by isolating the area and protecting surroundings so contaminants don't reintroduce flashing. Once done, sand the flashing edges with 120 grit to feather paint and expose substrate. This removes gloss that causes visible seams. Next, clean dust with a damp microfiber and let dry, then apply a thin layer of drywall compound to fill low spots and blend transitions. Make sure to smooth edges so primer can bond evenly and prevent future flashing. You now feather and equalize texture to hide the repair. After the compound cures, sand with 220 grit until seamless and remove all dust so primer adheres. Apply a stain-blocking primer in thin coats, rolling with the same nap as the sealing to match texture. Brush into corners. Make sure to extend primer several inches beyond the repair to avoid a visible halo. Allow full dry time, then inspect under raking light to ensure no seams remain before painting. You finish by applying 2 thin coats of sealing paint, rolling in a consistent direction to blend with the surrounding surface. Thinner coats dry smoother and reduce flashing risk. Between coats, check under raking light and adjust by light stippling to mimic texture. If you still see flashing, don't repaint broadly. Resand the feathered perimeter, reapply primer only to the zone, and repaint that spot. This targeted approach corrects sheen and absorption differences without creating a larger mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.